Hi, welcome back to Burton's Academy. I'm glad to have you with me today. During this session, I will run through the Xero product launch from February 2025 in relation to the bills section. So starting on the dashboard screen, we will go on to business, bills to pay. And what you'll now see is over on the right where it says new bills, we have an arrow. And when you click on this, you can now upload your bills from this section. So if we click on that, it will then come up with this drag and drop file menu. And so we will select our files that we want to add. And I want to add these two. So click open and now they'll be listed below. So if we've incorrectly added a file, we can click the bin icon to remove it. If not, we're happy that they're the invoices we want to add. We then click upload. And once successful, Xero will come up with this screen and it will tell us the two files or however many you had are successful. So we can then click close. It might take a minute for these bills to be extracted and imported into Xero, but when they are, you'll find them on your draft section of your bills to pay. And as you can see, we have these two bills here. And what you can do is you can just click into them at any point and you will see the information that Xero is now able to pull through. The more bills we have for the same supplier, Xero will be able to identify which information it needs to pull and from where. This means that, for example, the invoice date might be in a different place, or the information such as the total values might not be as clear to identify for Xero initially. And as you can see, it's pulled through the supplier name, the date, the quantity, the unit price. But what we need to fill in is the due date. And in this example, it has already been filled in, but typically it won't be. We need to add the description. And we also need to choose the account that it relates to. And then we just click approve. And then that bill is all ready and set up. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe for more content. See you at the next one.